This is my recipe, beets and watermelon. And this is my juicer. Let's go. Something small is good inside of the juicer better. I put a parchment paper so my feet don't bleed too much on my board. Just a little hack. Something for this. I hope the juice. See. I'll see if I can how to cut this. Oh, cut it. This is not super sweet, but it's not sweet. It's still legal. My watermelon all cut and ready to go. And I'm gonna just every bit of this. Stay tuned. Let's get this thing going. It's all done as usual. I'm going to stir it. You can see the color. Oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful, rich, red. These are my jars. Check this out. Like, can it get any better than this? This is my first time making this recipe, by the way. Yummy. This light is refreshing because the watermelon was in the fridge. It's really delicious. I barely taste the beets, but I could still tell that it's there. I could taste it lightly, not overpowering, because I had more watermelon, obviously. So, thank you for watching.